Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Techish, and in this video I'm going to be solving the 2018 Elective ICT Practical WASSCE question. To be specific, the question number 3, a QBASIC question. But before we actually get started, I'd appreciate if you could support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up and also hitting the subscribe button and the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's get started with this tutorial. Alright, so this is the question, and it says write a QBASIC program to accept student index number, subject, and examination score over 100. Your program should match the score to the grade later. Okay, print the score and the grade on the computer screen. Save the output as grade in the folder created. The grade letter is determined as follows. So examination score, assigned grade. So 90 and above will be assigned a grade of A. 80 to 89 is B, 70 to 79 is C, 60 to 69 is a D, 50 to 59 is E, and anything below 50 is an F. Okay, so first of all, I've created a folder in which we'll save this file, and this is the folder I've been using for my previous video. So I'm going to also save this program folder in this, I'm going to save this program file in this folder after we are done. Okay, so now next is to open up our QBASIC IDE, and as I say always, I type the solution and afterwards I explain how everything works. So just sit down, relax, and watch as I type. Okay. Alright, so now this is the solution to the program, and now I'm going to explain how it actually works. So on line 2, or let's even start from line 1. So line 1 line 1 contains the CLS command, which stands for clear screen and is responsible for clearing the output screen. Line 2 contains an input statement which prompts the user to enter their index number, and then it stores it in the index number variable. Now, because an index number is not always numbers, sometimes an index number can contain other characters and even symbols. So that's the reason why I made it a string variable by adding the $sign. Now, the line 3, it prompts the user to enter the particular subject, and then it stores it in this subject variable. Of course, you can notice that I've added a $sign because a subject is a string. And then line 4, it prompts the user to enter their exam score. So now the exam score is always a numerical value. That is why there is no $sign there. Then on line 6, we have a print statement which has nothing else attached to it. So it's just going to print a new line. And when I run it, you're going to see how it looks like. Line 7 prints out the exam score. So if I enter 70 as my exam score, it's going to say exam score colon 70, because that will be the value stored in it, right? From line 9 to line 21 is an if statement structure which gives you a grade based on the exam score you get. So in simple terms, here's how it works. If the exam score is greater than or is equal to 90, then give the user a grade of A. Else if the exam score is greater than or is equal to 80, or is in between 80 and 89 inclusive, then give the user a grade of B. And the same process goes on if it's greater than or equal to 70, a grade C, greater than or equal to 60, a grade D, greater than or equal to 50, a grade E. Else if it is below 50, then give him an F. So now let's run this code and verify to see if it's working. So F5 to run, and let's use about 3 examples. So we give it, let's see. So it says enter index number. So let's enter something random. Let me bring it here. Then enter the subject. So let's say English. Enter the exam score. So let's try something like 96. So it says exam score 96, grade A. So it's working. Now let's try it again. And this time we'll try something like 61. Yeah. So let's say index number, and this time let's say math, exam score 61, and we get a D. So let's see. So let's even look at the question. It says if you get 60 to 69, it's going to give you a D. So you can see that the program is valid. Now let's try one last one. By this time we are going to go with a very low number. So something like, let's say 2%. Yeah. So you are supposed to get an F for that. So let's type our index number, our subject, let's say French. Yeah. And exam score 2%. And whoa, we get an F. So you can see that the program is working correctly, and that is good. But we are not done. It says um save the output as grade in the folder created. Okay, so now let me show you how to do that. Go to file, save as, and I'm already in my folder. But if you're not in your folder, let me show you what to do. You're going to see a C and a colon, so double click on that, and then you're going to see this. So what you should do now is look for users, which is over here, and double click on that, and then look for your PC name. So in this case, mine is the Turkish. Sorry. So if you make a mistake, you can just double click on this two period signs to go back. So your PC name the Turkish, and then look for desktop over here. Click on that, and I can see my desktop, sorry, my folder DD with my index number. So I'm going to double click on that, and I will save it as grade, all in caps, and click on OK, and bam, you're done. So that is how to solve this problem, and we've also saved the file. To verify that we saved it, let's check our folder, and now you can see we have grade. So these two folders are for the ones I made in my previous videos, and this is the one we just saved. So that is pretty much it for the 2018 elective ICT practical question number 3. I hope you guys understood everything. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell, and follow me on Instagram and join my Discord server. The links will be in the description below, and see you guys in the next one.